Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be replacing the EVAP, or what you want to call vacuum valve. I'm doing this on my 2009 Toyota Yaris, the 1NT engine, and this is the part number. I'll put it in the description of the video. So for this, you don't need no tools, but usually when these go bad, you don't get no noticeable symptoms, but it will throw a check engine light. But it will cause like higher emissions and make your car run inefficiently. And mine's right now it's at 220,000 miles, and I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. So you don't need no tools. All you gotta do is press and hold the clip, slide it back, pull up the hose, undo the clip, press down and pull it back. Then the bottom, just pull it out. Oh, and if you got the factory intake, you gotta unclip this from here. You just push in on both sides, and then it's gonna be stuck inside the rubber hose on the factory, and you just pull it in and gonna slide it out. I got an intake, so I'll be taking this out. All you need is a Phillips head. So you're gonna go ahead and remove this because I don't need it. And then all you do, connect your new one, put it into the bottom. The gray side you see, this one is the hose that goes into your intake manifold, and then this one is the one that goes to the back of your car. So once you reconnect it, press and slide down, slide it back in place, and that's how you replace your vacuum valve. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, show some support. I got a lot more videos coming, not only on my Yaris, but now my Dodge Nitro that's back on the channel. So stay tuned. See you on the next one. Peace.